Let's bring in NBC Boston meteorologist Chris Gloninger, who is live at the top of the Blue Hills Observatory in Milton.
Chris, a few months ago, we all were talking about the drought, Pete as well. Now we're watching the snow slowly melt across the area. Is that helping the water levels?
Shannon, Phil, as this melts, that drought level starts to get down. 50% of the Commonwealth under a severe drought only 4 months ago. And here at the Blue Hill Observatory, the oldest weather station in Massachusetts, is the best place to track the drought. Weather records go back 132 years at the top of Blue Hill.
We can look at all the different trends, what the longest time we were in drought, which is over 10 years, the current drought going on 5 years.
Blue Hill Observatory Program Director McCasland says drought conditions are starting to improve, largely thanks to this winter's precipitation.
Even with that record-breaking snowfall, the winter of 2014 to 2015 was below average liquid. For 1 inch of water, we had 20 inches of snow.
This year we've had less snow, but a lot more water. Typically it averages 10 inches of snow for every inch of liquid, which is the case this year.
There's 3 inches of snow on the ground at Blue Hill right now.
How much liquid does this translate to?
We actually take another one of those cans, we put it down on the snow, and we make what we call a cookie. Basically, it goes all the way down to the ground, and we slide a sheet underneath, and we pick it up. And we then melt it down, and we know exactly how much water is in the snow.
To speed things up, we turned on the burner. Now that the snow is melted, we lost some because of evaporation. We're going to pour it back into the original container and measure how much liquid there is. About 1.25 inches.
Things are looking up for 2017 if the precipitation trends continue.
You have all those instruments behind me, including 3 rain gauges that keep tally of how much rain has fallen. And right now, 0% of the Commonwealth under a severe drought. So some great news. Reporting atop the Blue Hill Observatory, meteorologist Chris Gloninger, NBC Boston.
That is